If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, you have two main approaches. So the first method is to simply open the Quick Share panel, which you can do via Control Center. There is the shortcut created by default. And then once you open this, you can go to the Send menu over here. However, before that, you can of course make sure or the other person or the other device must be of course set to well, the visibility must be enabled, and it has to be set up in a way that, of course, it allows your phone to detect that other device, which usually the best solution is to simply set it to everyone. And in addition to that, you can, of course, ask the person that you're trying to transfer files to just go to this Receive menu over here in Quick Share, if possible, of course. To make sure that the visibility is set to everyone, because no matter what the setting is, if you are here in Receive, then visibility is set to everyone temporarily on the device. So if you try to send files, then of course you can go to Send. Then over here we have the Select button, so you can choose whatever you want to transfer. Over here we have opened the selection. You can of course use these categories, or you can use the whole storage in order to try to find whatever you want to transfer. You can of course select multiple files if you want to, and then we can tap on Select in the upper right corner. Now once you select everything that you want to transfer, you can send it to another device. You can of course send it to yourself if you have another device right next to you, or you can just scan nearby devices in here. There is also this option, this QR code, that we can use, and if you scan the QR code on another device, then of course you should be able to simply get the files without having to search it over here on this section of nearby devices. Now, besides that, the second method that allows you to use the Quick Share is by simply using the Share button in any app that allows you to share files. So this can be the gallery, this can be the file manager, this can be the Files app. Anything that has the Share button also has Quick Share in there. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this photo over here as an example, and then over here, if we go to the Share, so it is this button here in the bottom left corner in this specific case, and then over here we can use the Quick Share option as well. So then the file is immediately selected, and as you can see, we have returned to the Quick Share app into the Send menu. So you should be able now to send the all of the selected files to another device. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.